What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Julius Malema, during a parliamentary session, he asked Cyril Ramaphosa and said, "Where is the first lady? Because you never go anywhere without the first lady. You never engage in any program that seeks to give us a good image of a president with a family. So Malema was more of like saying, where is she? We are not even seeing her. It's like we are a country without a first lady." So here Malema was saying, you know what? The president must engage in public programs alongside her wife, because Ramaphosa must exhibit this image of a family man, is what is expected. So there is one thing concerning, a question that was asked by Malema where he said, "We hope that there is no crisis, Mr. President." So my interpretation there, Malema was sort of like implying that the president's private life might be in trouble, and he was making, like a subtle provocative jab at Ramaphosa's marriage. But even though Malema seems as if he was asking, like honestly, but or maybe asking out of curiosity or something like that, it was a strategic question during that parliamentary speech. It was more of like challenging Ramaphosa's credibility and image, to showcase that there is a disconnect between the president's public family role, and his personal public profile. So this was more of like being, what can I say, trying to capitalize on a personal life of Ramaphosa. So the question, that is to be asked is that, is Ramaphosa, or maybe is Malema entitled to know about what is going on about the private life of the first lady? So looking at it legally, the public or Malema are not entitled to know about the whereabouts of the first lady. So if I'm to put a summary, it was a rhetorical question from Julius Malema, one, that Ramaphosa just has to blue tick. I'll catch you guys on the next one.